Chef here, real quick video about selecting the correct knife for the correct application here. I've got a tomato, pop the top off. I've got a tomato knife. Basically it's a serrated round tip knife, ideal for tomatoes. We're going to cut this baby right in half like this, okay? And then we're going to remove the core part like this. And then we're going to just cut it into some nice wedges. First we cut it right down the middle, and then we cut each wedge into just a few like this. Now if you're making a salad and these wedges are too big, just simply cut them right in half, but maintain the nice form of the tomato. By the way, very nice cuts there. By the way, I'm using a cut glove to protect my hands. This stops the knife blade. Made in USA, braided stainless steel. It's got a white nylon coating for comfort. This glove will last. I'm going to guess it will last you 10 to 20 years, using it heavily. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Visit the sponsor, shop small, and have a wonderful holiday season. Okay, to cut an onion paper thin, I'm using a non-stick Japanese knife, and this one here is razor sharp, and I can cut that onion paper thin. As you can see, you can basically see through my onion slices. This is all the onion I'm looking for right here, but I wanted to show you just how thin you can get it with the right knife. So easy, minimal effort. That's what I'm talking about right there. Butternut squash. Paper thin slices can be achieved with these Japanese knives. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Check it out at the sponsor right there. Oh yeah, it's the good stuff. Once again, stainless steel glove stops the knife blade. No cuts. Sirloin steak. Nice thin consistent slices. A simple steak salad here. We've got some hard-boiled eggs, tomatoes, butternut squash, couple kinds of greens, and we finish with a little black pepper. Oh yeah. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Check out the sponsor for all the tools used. Get cooking and have a great day. These butcher blocks come in round, square, rectangle, maple, cherry, walnut, and red oak. Ideal for kitchen, bar, islands, restaurants, home remodeling. Improve your kitchen and your cooking experience. Free shipping and discounts. Contact your sponsor. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. The best vanilla for the best chefs, for the best gourmet cooks, for the best consumers. I just like the best. What's wrong with that? Butcher block, made in America. Oh yeah, this is the best you can get. This one has been cut on over 25 years. Well, people ask me, what's the big deal about it? Well, the big deal is you get the best and it lasts, and you buy the best the first time. I'll show you just what I mean here. Take my knife. Remember, this is the Japanese Damascus. This thing's razor sharp. I'm dicing or mincing some herbs, some onions, some garlic. And I've cut on this block millions and millions of times. Okay? Doesn't hurt it a bit. I use my scraper, remove my food, oil it once in a while, good to go. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good.